Can I get around using pip install cert? Trying to figure out if there is a way that I can avoid using the cert flag to pip when I am installing packages at work. There is some issue with the proxy that only allows me to download the packages I need when I provide that flag, despite adding the mycert.crt file to /user/local/share/ca certificates and running sudo update ca certificates. An example of the messages I'm seeing is this can be solved with instead using. However, I would prefer to not have to do so, as I'm sure other applications bump into this issue. I am running Linux Mint 15, though I previously had very similar issues on Ubuntu 12.04, pip version 1.4.1.
You can set that through the pip configuration file, which is in $home/.pip/pip.conference or %of data%\pip/pip.ini on Windows. This file lets you set basically all the flags that are used by pip. Full documentation is at this URL.
For me, none of the config file workarounds worked. I'm using pip 1.5.4 Ubuntu 14.04. What eventually worked for me is installing the certificate on the system first. For me on Ubuntu this would be the previous automatically updates the bundle file, checking at the bottom of /etc/ssl/certs/ca certificates.crt, you should now see the same certificate as in my_cert.crt. Now use that path in pip_cert. And add it to my.bash. Disclaimer, I already posted this answer in same answer as in the eventually duplicated link above, but at the beginning I didn't find the other, eventually duplicated answer, so if someone like me gets here first, then this might help. Maybe I'm breaking some kind of rules to post the same answer twice, one in and the other one in superuser. If so, sorry about that.
This worked for me without needing to know where the config file lives. I believe you need pip version 10+, which you can find with the output of the config set command then outputs the name of the config file for your convenience.
If you are switching environments and need both, the original pip certificates and your company certificates, you can bundle them together one. And set pip to use this bundle globally. Python 3c import certify, print certify.where, returns the path to the certificate bundle that is used by pip by default, which is not the system certificate store, source. Starting with v1.3, pip provides SSL certificate verification over HTTP, to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks against pipi downloads. This does not use the system certificate store but instead uses a bundled CA certificate store. The default bundled CA certificate store may be overridden by using cert option or by using pip_cert, request_ca_bundle, or curl_ca_bundle environment variables.